and a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Is it picking up like any of the like ASMR? Hey, I'm Karina and I'm a beauty and wellness writer at Refinery29, and today I'm going to reveal what's in my beauty drawers. I got my start in the beauty industry by interning when I was in college. I was writing for a website at the time and the beauty editor there ended up becoming my mentor and taught me everything I know about working in this industry. I keep my beauty drawers almost too organized. I'm a Virgo, so I love to have everything neat and tidy in its place. I think my beauty drawers are going to reveal. I just generally love playing with beauty products and testing things out. All right, let's take a look at my beauty drawers. I'm gonna start out with a new product that I have. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner. I really love this stuff because it's super gentle and hydrating and help keep my skin clear. It smells like watermelons. It's really good. Next up, I love AESOP skincare. I think they're great. One product I really love is the Into Minds facial cleanser. It just smells like herbs. It's got witch hazel in it, which is great. I have acne prone skin. Keeps things feeling really clean and fresh. Love it in the morning. Let's see what else. My beauty drawers are organized between skincare and a little bit of hair plus makeup. My sister likes to call it a dentist cart because it reminds her of what they have in dental offices. Plus on top, the products that I use pretty much every day. Moving on to a makeup product I will probably repurchase forever. It's this Maybelline Master Precise Gel Eyeliner Pencil. As you can see, it's super thin. It's like $7 or $8, I think, so it's super affordable. Gives you like the thinnest line ever, which I love using on my waterline. Who doesn't love a drugstore buy, right? This is a new product. I haven't opened it yet, but it is the EltaMD UV Clear Tinted Sunscreen. One item that I always recommend people have in their beauty drawers at home is definitely sunscreen. I love this one because it has a tint, so I plan on using it in place of foundation. It looks like this. It kind of doesn't even look like sunscreen, which I think is so cool. I think that's blended. Another summer beauty product that I'm really into is the new Tower 28 Bronzino Cream Bronzer. I've only been using this for a little bit since it came out, but it's got the coolest, like, shimmery bronze texture, and it literally just looks like you came back from the beach. It's just all around super cool product. This next drawer has more moisturizers plus some face oils, which I love. Another product that I cannot get enough of is the Then I Met You Calming Tide Gel Cream. Look at this packaging. It's so cute. It looks like a little like egg. It kind of matches my nails actually. Awesome for oily skin like mine, and it contains peptides, ceramides, really hydrating, and yeah, calming. Just true to the name. This one literally feels like water. Here's a classic, Supergoop Unseen. I love this sunscreen again. This one is totally invisible, so it doesn't leave like a white cast or anything. I'm tan, so that's super important to me, and it is great under makeup as well. My least used item in my beauty drawers probably has to be any sort of bright lipstick. I've just always been more of a skin, eye makeup, brow person. So anything bright isn't super my style, but I do love it on other people. This is where things get a little crazy. This drawer is a mix of minis, which I loved for traveling back when I was like going on trips and stuff. I also have some things like makeup wipes and sheet masks. I love these, Joanna Vargas. This one's the Dawn face mask. It's super hydrating, literally feels like a spa day in my apartment. Another product I love is the OLEHENRIKSEN Cold Plunge Pore Mask, which has this awesome blue color, which is so fun for a selfie moment, but it's also really cooling on the skin, which makes it so nice if it's getting warm out. It's just a really great product for this time of year. I don't know about you guys, but I've been masking so much now that I've been staying home more often, and another one that I love is the Summer Fridays R&R mask. It has rose petals in it, which smell amazing on your skin, and it leaves me looking so bright and dewy, and the packaging is so nice as well. This VETIVER 46 by Labo is one of the nicest things that I own. They even print your name on it. I love this fragrance in particular because it's super like fresh, almost like an herb kind of scent. If I'm spending all my time at home and I'm not seeing anyone, I still love to wear a bit of perfume, just to give me that little extra like pep in my step. Super nice. Wow, my room smells so nice now. Oh, this is something I use pretty much every single day. It's my Tweezerman eyelash curler. They make different shapes for different eyes, so if you have more almond shaped eyes, they make ones for that as well, but it really helps open my eyes up even if I'm not wearing any mascara. Another product that I love is this Kosas tinted face oil. It is super lightweight but really hydrating if I just want a little bit of coverage. My biggest beauty flex item, a wall of nail polish that was gifted. Let's do a hair product. This I feel like everybody talks about, but it is a classic for a reason. It's the ORIBE Dry Texturizing Spray. Whenever I curl my hair, just to add a little bit of volume, just like a little bit of messiness. Another product that I use all the time is the ZITSTICKA little acne patches. So I'm almost out, so I'm gonna have to get a new box. You open it up and it's a like little mini towelette so that you can clean your breakout, and then this little guy sticks on and overnight will basically draw out all the gross stuff. Bye bye zits. Here's another one actually that I've been using a lot. It's the Tower 28 lip gloss. Actually, I don't know what shade this is. It's Magic, which is such a cute name. I've been really into glosses lately. This one has this like gorgeous like gold shimmer. I don't know, it's like literally magic. This is another iconic product, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love that it's got this like big doe foot applicator, which is so fun to use. It literally will cover up anything that I've got going on. If I have a breakout that I want to conceal, this does the trick every time. One more product that I love, Benefit Roller Liner. I am a huge fan of the Roller Lash Mascara, and they came out with a liquid eyeliner that is like so sharp, so precise. It's so perfect for getting that really sharp cat eye. All right, time to put everything back in its place. It's kind of like I'm putting them to bed. Before, I was organizing all my products with bins, which kind of got messy and crazy after a while. I also live in Brooklyn, so I like that it didn't take up a ton of space. I'm able to easily find everything, sort through stuff, and when I get new products, just easily file them away. This is how I keep track of all my things. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.